side. I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong.
Hey, good morning, good afternoon to everyone. So thank you so much. Welcome one more time to my channel, Simi Hair
Fix your bag,
Family
my love.
channel. Thank you so much. So so for today's video is going to be so whatever you're watching is it. Okay, so this is my daughter bags. So my daughter going to school this year. So I just want to make sure that everything is good. This is the design for her, like the frozen is the design that she like. So I just get it for her. I make sure she got the notebook and everything with the same thing. So yes, as you guys can see now, she got everything with the same thing. Okay, so one more time, I would like to thank each and every one of you for your support, for likes, for share, for comment.
Papa in the
Okay,
hardest laugh.
so please always show. Thank you.
Papa is not here.
So now
Like I was saying.
she having the box, okay? She having the box because she saw me put some food inside of it, and
For
then now
school.
she already wanna eat them. Okay, so that's what she's doing. She just wanted to start eating. Okay, I will try to find
For
some
school.
favorite shapes of what she like to put inside the box for her before she can eat at school. Okay, that was these those I buy them at Wimble. So now I'm going to wash her hair and then to do her hair because I didn't want her to go with her hair like that. Okay, so stay with me, bear with me, and then you will see it just like 10 minutes. Okay, as you guys can see, I wanted to start with the hair, with her hair, and then so we will just do it together. Just watch it. Okay, so one more time, thank you again. Thank you for like, for share, for
Can I be your star
comment.
tonight?
Okay, thank you.
You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. Let's sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally.
One more thing again is like my daughter always sit down to do her hair. So when you become to do her hair, so Keisha always sitting down to do her hair. She always ready. Okay. So yes, she's good at it. As you guys can see, I'm almost finished now. Okay, I'm almost done. I just put a little extension like a little hair, a little fake hair on her hair. So it's not too much, it's not that much. Okay, so just to make it a little longer and pretty. Okay, so now I was telling her to turn around, and then that's what she's doing. That's what
Turn
she's
around.
doing
Slowly, slowly.
now. Okay, so I already put the beads in her hair. So she's
Slowly,
so
Keisha.
happy.
Look at me.
She's
Calm.
happy. Okay,
Turn,
this
Mama.
day is today. So
Turn
today
around.
is
Hi,
my
Keisha.
daughter's first
You
day
excited
of
today?
school. First day of school.
Keisha,
Okay,
well, you don't
so
move.
yes,
You don't want to
I
move?
wish you all the
Hi. Good
best, my
morning.
daughter. I wish you all the
Go to the
best.
car.
May
Let's go
God
to the
bless
car.
you, continue
Yes.
to protect you,
Right
to
there,
put
on this
his
side. On that side. Come.
arm
Come.
over you,
On that side.
my love.
Wow.
I'll be with you
Turn around.
eternally. I'm an addict for your love. It keeps me high. Keeps
One
me
thing
high.
about Keisha, is she ready now?
Good
When
morning,
you tell her
Keisha.
let's go, so you gotta
Good
go straight
morning.
to the car. She don't have patience for you to wait, do this, say that. No. She don't have that much patience. She just needs to go. Okay?
I see Alan.
Sit for.
Hi, what's her name again?
Keisha.
Hi, what is
Keisha.
it? Keisha. Hi, Keisha. I have some toys here for you. Keisha, look. I have some of these for you.
I'll take that.
This is the cafeteria, okay? That's the
Okay, you're
cafeteria of
welcome.
her
Miss
school.
Martha. Bye
So
bye.
yeah, she needs to get breakfast before she go into
Bye bye.
class. Okay?
Bye.
It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. Sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you
She was so
eternally.
happy to see me. I mean, to see me. Yeah, she was so happy to see me. That was in the
How's
afternoon.
school?
That is in the
Inte
afternoon.
massa
So
bussen
when I go
dia?
when I go pick
Yes?
her up, and then she was so happy to
Ali, no. Mashi,
see
mashi,
me.
mashi. Mashi. Happy? Open the door. Papa then. Can you come? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Car.
Yeah, the car.
Car.
Yon nan pi bel jou nan vi nou jodi ya, nou sot mene pitit nou l'ekol.
Pour la première fois.
Premye fwa ki chapal ap mache ve sukse ya. Sou e ke yon kap mache.
Oui, c'est vrai que le marché est vraiment belle, vraiment intéressant. Pour la première fois, ça, nous sommes contents, nous avons joie qui a débordé dans laquelle nous dis.
Kala nou bal fè ti le apre sa pou nou chèche ki.
Yes. Ok, bye bye. Merci parce que tu as regardé cette vidéo. Ça, bye bye. Wow. Turn around. L'école là, t'es bon? How's school? Kayo. Turn around. Look at me. Look at me.
So thank you all so
Hey.
much for watching this for life.
What's all my what?
I hope you guys have a great time. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.